Jessica's comeback, a mom feeling radiant again. Jessica had just become a mother. She loved her baby profoundly, but the days felt endless and the exhaustion weighed more heavily than she had ever imagined. Between sleepless nights and diaper changes, Jessica wondered, when will I feel like myself again? Is there a safe way to get my energy back? Jessica shared her feelings with other mothers. She discovered she wasn't alone. Many were seeking practical, safe nutrition during the demanding stage of motherhood and breastfeeding. Her friend Alara asked her, "What would be the most important thing for you right now?" Jessica smiled, a flicker of hope in her eyes. "To feel energetic enough to truly enjoy every single moment with my baby." One day, while scrolling through her dedicated moms group on Facebook, Jessica found a compelling story about a nutrition kit designed for starting anew, Herbalife's Day 1. Jessica felt the familiar doubt surface. Is it truly safe? Will it be worth the investment? Yet, as she read that it was designed with reliable, quality ingredients and came with community support, a deep sense of relief and trust began to settle within her. She decided to take the first step. It wasn't merely a kit, it was a conscious gesture of self-love, a commitment to reclaim her strength and vitality. As the days passed, Jessica noticed a profound shift, more consistent energy, a better mood, and a feeling of internal equilibrium. She no longer had to force a smile, it came naturally. Jessica looked at herself in the mirror. The exhaustion was still a memory, but a bright, vital light now shone in her gaze. She discovered that prioritizing her own well-being wasn't selfish. It was a vital component of loving her family completely. Jessica shared her experience with other mothers. "I finally found something that helped me feel like myself again. If you're searching, you can discover it in the Club Sin Rebot online store." Her voice didn't carry the pitch of a sale. It was the warmth of a shared gift.